Now, guys, I know the reopening process feels like it is taking forever, but things are moving step by step because, well, the key to controlling coronavirus and the outbreak is the numbers. Whether it's the data from our government or the mounting cases in our nursing homes, jails, or even rehab centers, they have to stay low for us to be able to get back to normal. And tonight, 10 Investigates is making sure that those numbers that we show you and that you see are actually accurate. Jennifer Titus shows us why these statistics here in Florida might be wrong after data manager Rebecca Jones was let go for questioning the state's transparency.
Yeah, some lawmakers calling for an investigation by the governor into why Jones was removed from her position. But the governor is also calling for an investigation of his own into why Jones still had the job in the first place after he says she was facing criminal charges.
Come to find out, she's also under active criminal charges in the state of Florida. She's being charged with cyber stalking and cyber sexual harassment. So I've asked the Department of Health to explain to me how someone would be allowed to be charged with that and continue on, because this was many months ago. I have a zero tolerance policy for sexual harassment.
Right after that statement, he mentioned this.
Our data is available. Our data is transparent.
But rewind to the very beginning of the governor's statement. He claims Rebecca Jones, a GIS manager, which she displayed in her email, and the person the communication staff put me in contact with a few weeks back when I had questions about discrepancies in the state's data, was the one putting in inaccurate information.
What she was doing was she was putting data on the portal which the scientists didn't believe was valid data. So she didn't listen to the people who were her superior.
10 Investigates obtained this email sent by Jones back on May 15th, claiming it was her questioning the transparency and accuracy of the information that led to her removal. It's why state and federal lawmakers have asked for an investigation into these claims because of the importance in the accuracy in that information.
The public is relying on this information. We don't have access to it any other way besides through his administration. And, if we aren't getting accurate information, how can we decide if we're reopening different parts of our government? How can we advise people, hey, it's safe, look at our numbers, we've beat this and we've flattened the curve and we're ahead of it? How can we make those judgment calls if we're not getting the right information?
And 10 Investigates has reached out to the Department of Health for more information, including Jones's personnel file. They have yet to get that to us. We have also asked them how and when the data may have been inaccurate. Guys, those are still questions we are waiting for answers on.
And very important questions they continue to push our state government.